Trading used to be complicated. It was a world dominated by professionals in suits, shouting across crowded trading floors. It was hard for regular people to get started. The barriers to entry were high, and the tools were not user-friendly. Now, in 2025, things are different. Technology has revolutionized the way we trade. You can trade on your phone. With just a few taps, you can access the stock market from anywhere. Apps make it easy to buy and sell. They are designed to be intuitive, even for beginners. You can start trading with a little money. No need to have a large sum to begin your investment journey. You don't need to be rich. Trading is accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background. Many platforms let you buy parts of shares. This means you can own a piece of expensive stocks without breaking the bank. This means you can start investing with what you can afford. Every little bit counts and can grow over time. Trading can be a great way to grow your money. With patience and smart decisions, your investments can flourish. It can also be fun to learn about the markets. There are countless resources available to help you understand trading. With a little effort, anyone can learn to trade. Join communities, take courses, and practice regularly. Don't be afraid to try new things. Experiment with different strategies to find what works best for you. Trading might seem scary at first. The fear of losing money can be daunting. But it's like anything else, the more you practice, the easier it gets. Start small, learn from your mistakes, and grow your confidence. Trading is buying and selling things to make money. It's a way to potentially grow your wealth by making smart decisions about what to buy and when to sell. It's like going to a market, but online. Instead of physical goods, you're dealing with financial assets. You buy something you think will go up in value. This could be a stock, a bond, or even a piece of real estate. Then, you sell it later for a profit. The key is to buy low and sell high. Or, you buy something when it's cheap and hope it goes up in value. Timing and research are crucial in making these decisions. You can trade many things: stocks, ETFs, options, and even cryptocurrency. Each type of asset has its own risks and rewards. Stocks are like tiny pieces of big companies. When you buy a stock, you own a small part of that company. ETFs are like baskets of stocks. They allow you to invest in a variety of companies all at once, spreading out your risk. Options are bets on if a stock will go up or down. They can be complex but offer the potential for high returns. Cryptocurrency is digital money that uses cryptography for security. It's a new and exciting area of trading with its own unique opportunities and risks. Anyone can start trading. You just need a brokerage account and some money to invest. Many platforms offer tools and resources to help you get started. We'll talk more about choosing a brokerage later. It's important to find one that fits your needs and goals. Remember, you don't need to be an expert to start. There are plenty of resources available to help you learn. Start small and learn as you go. With time and practice, you can become more confident and successful in your trading journey. A brokerage is like a store for trading. It's where you buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and more. There are many brokerages to choose from. Some popular ones are Robinhood, Fidelity, and TD Ameritrade. When choosing a brokerage, look for one that is easy to use. It should also have low fees. Make sure the brokerage is insured by the SIPC. SIPC insurance protects your money if something happens to the brokerage. Some brokerages offer educational resources. These resources can teach you about trading. They can help you choose the right investments. Take your time, shop around, and find a brokerage that feels right for you. Section 4. What can you trade? You can trade many things, but some are easier for beginners. The world of trading offers a variety of options, each with its own set of characteristics and complexities. Stocks are a good place to start. They are shares of ownership in a company, and their value can go up or down based on the company's performance and market conditions. When you buy a stock, you are buying a small piece of a company. This means you can benefit from the company's growth and profits. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are another good option for beginners. They offer a way to invest in a collection of stocks or other assets. ETFs are like baskets of stocks. They provide diversification, which can help reduce risk. They allow you to invest in many companies at once. This diversification can help protect your investment from the volatility of individual stocks. This helps spread out your risk. Options are more complicated. They give you the right but not the obligation to buy or sell a stock at a certain price. They are like bets on whether a stock will go up or down. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies. They operate independently of a central bank. They can be very volatile, meaning their price can change quickly. This volatility can offer opportunities for profit but also comes with significant risk. It's important to research before you invest in anything. Understanding the market and the specific asset you are investing in is crucial. Understand what you are buying and the risks involved. Every investment carries some level of risk, and it's important to be aware of them. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Seeking advice from financial experts can help you make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Section 5: Simple Trading Strategies for Beginners. There are many ways to trade. Two simple strategies are swing trading and day trading. Swing trading is holding a stock for a few days or weeks. You try to profit from price swings. Day trading is buying and selling a stock within one day. It is riskier than swing trading. Day traders try to make small profits from many trades. No matter your strategy, start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Trading always has risks. It's important to manage your risk carefully. Section 6: Trading and Taxes. When you make money trading, you have to pay taxes. It's important to keep track of your trades. This will make it easier to file your taxes. Your brokerage will send you a tax form at the end of the year. This form will show your trading profits and losses. You can use this form to file your taxes yourself. There are also software programs that can help you with your taxes. These programs can import your trades from your brokerage. They can help you find deductions to lower your tax bill. Section 7: Keep learning and trading. Smart, congratulations, you've learned the basics of trading. Now it's time to start your trading journey. Remember to keep learning and stay curious. The markets are constantly changing and evolving. There are many resources available to help you learn. Read books, take online courses, and follow experienced traders. The more you know, the better trader you will become. Trading can be a great way to grow your money, but it's important to be smart and strategic. Don't let your emotions control your trading decisions, and always remember to manage your risk effectively. Good luck, and happy trading.